There is nothing in life that is more certain than death and taxes. This we know. But did you know that there were 5 options to repay your tax debt? We're going to take a look at those 5 options. The first is simply to pay your debt in full. That, of course, is the easiest. But unfortunately, for a lot of people, that's not an option. So let's take a look at the other 4 options and see what is available. Option 2. If you are able to pay your debt back in over 120 days, you can contact the IRS and set up a short-term repayment plan. Just keep in mind that this is going to come with penalties and interest as high as 5% of your monthly payment. Option 3. If your repayment plan is going to take longer than 120 days, you can contact the IRS and set that one up as well. This repayment plan, while over 120 days, also will come with interest and penalties. Option 4. If your tax bill is more than you can afford to pay back, the IRS can take a look at an offer in compromise. You will pay a portion of that current debt back, but keep in mind that you will be responsible to file and pay your taxes every year over the next 5 years. And like all of our other options, it does come with different fees. Option 5, if you can't pay back any of your tax obligation, the IRS can take a look at an option as currently not collectible. This is a situation in which you will not pay back the debt. However, tax debt does not go away. So you will still be responsible for the interest and the penalties that come along with that particular plan. The main thing to keep in mind is to pay your taxes as much as you can. Contact the IRS right away and make sure you're filing your taxes on time. The IRS does have these 5 options for you to repay your debt. But if unfortunately you're still in a position where you cannot afford any of these options, or you're finding that the IRS is not working with you, every state offers a taxpayer advocate. You are more than welcome to reach out to your taxpayer advocate free of charge to help you communicate better with the IRS and set up a better option for your needs. The bottom line is be proactive. The IRS can put a lien against your property. They can confiscate your property. They can also revoke your passport, as well as file charges against you. So it is important that you stay in communication with the IRS so they are aware of your current situation.